Hi, this is Dave, and in this video I want to show you the Minisopuru 5-in-1 Mac Mini stand. So recently I changed my setup and now I have my Mac Mini standing on its end next to my decks to do live shows. The problem with that is not very safe and I wanted to get a stand for it. Weirdly, just as I was looking for one, Minisopuru reached out to me and asked if I was interested in something like this. Obviously perfect, but they're not paying me extra for this my honest review. I don't have to say nice things if I don't want to, but I do get to keep it, and believe it or not, I'm actually using it right now. So that was just a quick review on the Minisopuru 5-in-1 Mac Mini stand. I genuinely do like it and I'm using it right now. It works. That's all you could ask for. Links are in the description below. And if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing. See you later.